How to fix Reddit server error. Hello everyone, I'm here to guide you how you can fix your Reddit server error. So to fix the Reddit server error, you have to first go to your Play Store and search for your Reddit app. After that, you have to check for any update that is available on your mobile phone or not. So the Reddit is a social media. So on the open option, if there is any update available, then you have to update your app. Then you will fix your Reddit server error. If that also doesn't solve your problem, then you have to check your internet connection problem by using your Wi-Fi or data. You need to have a strong connection. Even that also doesn't solve your problem, then you have to go for your Reddit and long press on this. Go for the eye icon, click on that. Here on the bottom, you can see the clear data. Now go for that. After that, you have to clear all data and cache here. Go for OK. After that, your Reddit server error problem will be solved. If that also doesn't solve your problem, then you have to go to your Play Store and uninstall your app and reinstall your app. Then you have to log into your account. So that's the process how to fix your Reddit server error on your device. That's it for today. If you like this video, please hit that like button and subscribe for more. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.